I think, therefore I am. If I want to change the way I think, I must change the declaration of who I perceive I am. It all starts with the way we think of ourselves. The law of thinking is the first of the 11 lost laws because all the other laws are impacted by how and what we allow ourselves to think. This is Joseph Leahy, the author of The Law of Thinking, one of the 11 lost laws. I'm intrigued by this law because it's the basis for everything that we are as human beings. Henry Ford is attributed to have said, if you think you can do a thing, or if you think you cannot do a thing, you are right. There are several modifications of this quote, but it all boils down to what and how and the way we think. Just observe a day in your own life. Look at the events of your day and observe how those events were created. If you look at yourself in a non-judgmental way, just as an observer, you will realize that your thinking created the events that appeared before you. The next step is that you gave your free will to participate or to not participate in acting out the series of your thoughts. The law of thinking rules the perception of our reality. In order to change the way you think, or what you think about, or how you think, you must change your declaration of who you perceive yourself to be. As William Shakespeare wrote in his play Hamlet, to be or not to be is the real question. Yes, in order to change your state of being, which is the result of your thinking, you first have to declare the I am you truly desire. With desire combined with determination, we change the declaration of I am. With our declaration of I am, we change the way we think. When we change the way and how and what we think, we change the outcomes, the events, and our perception of our reality of who we say we are. The law of thinking is the first and foundation of all the 11 lost laws. It is in our thinking that we are.